Welcome to Avenue Sound's exclusive tour of our Bandra site, where innovation meets architecture. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to witness something truly extraordinary. Our skilled technicians are hard at work, meticulously installing the state-of-the-art Perlisten R5i LR in-wall speakers. These speakers redefine audio quality and seamlessly integrate into the space. But that's not all. Feast your eyes on our Automation DB system, a technological marvel that adds intelligence to your environment. It's where control meets convenience, and powering it all is the Audiocontrol XR4 amplifier, delivering pristine sound that resonates through every corner of this magnificent space. But there's so much more to explore. Stay tuned for part 2, where we unveil the full grandeur of this Bandra site. Avenue Sound, redefining audio, one installation at a time. Prepare to be amazed as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Part 2 is just around the corner.